Hi, welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking. My name's Emily and today I will be making a muffaletta. And to make a muffaletta we have ciabatta bread and then sliced ham, sliced salami, sliced capicola, and then sliced provolone. And then we have an olive salad and it has black, green, a little bit of olive oil, and garlic and red wine vinegar. So to start making this, we're gonna grab our ciabatta bread and we're gonna take our little olive salad and put this on the bread. And I usually spread it on both sides, and that's what we're gonna do. And then we're gonna take 3 to 4 pieces of each of our meats and lay it down. And then one piece of ham. And then we'll get our capicola and lay it down. And then finally our provolone cheese. And then we'll slap the top on and cut it down the middle. And then there is the muffaletta all put together. I hope you enjoyed this video, and this will be available in the cafe and bistro Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Have a great day.